Hi, my name is Shifa Khan, and today we are going to learn about one of the most important pre-processing steps in natural language processing, which is stopword removal. Now, let's see what is stopwords. In simple terms, stopwords are those very common words in English like is, the, of, in, and etc. These words appear a lot in sentences, but they don't carry much meaning. Removing them helps computers focus only on words that actually matter. Now, the question is, why do we need to remove stop words? Imagine a search engine like Google. If it paid equal attention to words like the, is, or of, it would waste time and storage spaces processing data that doesn't really add any value. By removing stop words, we reduce the amount of data the system needs to handle. In short, removing stopwords saves both time and memory while improving accuracy. Let's look at the simple steps involved in removing stopwords. Step 1 is inputting the text, where we begin with a normal sentence in English. Step 2 is tokenization, which means breaking the sentence into individual words. Step 3 is loading a predefined list of stop words. This list contains all the common English words we want to remove. Step 4 is comparing each token with this stop word list and filtering them out. Finally, in step 5, we get the clean text which contains only meaningful words. This clean text is then ready for further analysis in NLP tasks. Now, let's see a live demonstration. Here, in step 1, we have installed the Python libraries, namely NLTK. NLTK is nothing but NLP toolkit, which helps in importing the stopwords and word tokenization with some required data downloadation. And step 2 is input sentence. Our input sentence is natural language processing is one of the most important parts of artificial intelligence. First, we tokenize this sentence, which means splitting it into individual words. After tokenization, we have words like natural, language, processing, is, one, of, the, and so on. Next, we remove the stop words using the predefined English stop word list. This eliminates common words such as is, of, and the. The remaining words are the most important words like natural language processing, one important parts, artificial and intelligent. As you can see in the output here, we have first have the natural language processing is one of the most important parts in artificial intelligence as the original sentence. Next is after tokenization, it is tokenized in smaller chunks. Next is after stopword removal. You can see here natural language processing one important parts artificial intelligence. It also includes the full stop as the important part. Now here's the comparison before and after stopword removal. This clearly shows how the process reduces the length of the sentence while still keeping the most important information. In fact, this kind of reduction is very useful when working with large amount of text because it makes computation faster and more efficient without losing the key messages. From this session, the key takeaways are simple but powerful. Subwords are common words in English that do not add much meaning to text analysis. Removing them helps us reduce noise, save processing time, and focus on important information. This step is used widely in applications like search engines, text mining, and machine learning models. However, it's also important to remove that in some cases stop words can carry meaning, so we need to apply these methods carefully depending on the context. Let's wrap it up. So now that brings us to the end of this presentation on stopword removal. I hope you now have a clear understanding of what stopwords are, why we remove them, the step involved in the process, and how it impacts natural language processing. So, thank you so much for watching.